Hello everyone, and welcome to English Zone. Today, you will practice English with a simple airport conversation. This story is for A2 English learners. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers if you want. Let's begin. This is Emma. Today is her first time flying on an airplane. She feels excited, but she is also a little nervous. This is David. He has traveled before, and he is helping Emma during the trip. They are flying from their home to London. Hi, David.
Hi, Emma. Are you ready for our trip?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Really? Why?
Because this is my first time flying.
Don't worry. I'll help you with everything.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. It will be easier than you think.
Wow, this airport is huge.
Yes, it is. There are many people here today.
What do we do first?
First, we check in our luggage and get our boarding passes.
Okay, I have my passport and my ticket.
Great. Keep them in your hand.
I can't wait to see London.
You're going to love it.
Let's go.
The check-in counters are this way.
I'll follow you.
Here we are.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We're flying to London.
May I see your passports, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage?
Yes, we have one large suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
I hope it isn't too heavy.
Don't worry. We checked the weight at home.
Everything is fine.
That's good to hear.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
We did it!
Yes, check-in is finished.
What's next?
Now we're going to the security checkpoint.
What happens there?
They check everyone's bags to make sure everything is safe.
Oh, I understand.
Just follow the instructions.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please put your bags on the belt.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Please take your laptop out of your backpack.
Sure.
Walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, you can collect your bags now.
Thank you.
Have a nice trip.
That was much easier than I expected.
I told you.
What do we do now?
Now we'll go to our gate and wait for our flight.
Great! I'm starting to enjoy this.
Let's find gate 14.
Here we are. This is gate 14.
Yes, this is where we'll wait for our flight.
We still have some time.
About 1 hour.
That's nice. We don't have to hurry.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. Look at all the airplanes.
They're amazing, aren't they?
Yes, I never thought they looked so big.
They look even bigger up close.
Can you take a picture of me?
Of course. Smile. It looks great.
Thank you. David, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's get something to eat.
I'd like a sandwich.
I'll have a chicken wrap.
And a bottle of water, please.
I'll have a coffee.
That will be $15.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Everything looks delicious.
Let's eat before boarding.
I'm really excited now.
Your first flight is going to be special.
Attention please. Passengers for British Airways Flight 2145 to London Heathrow, boarding please at gate 14.
That's our flight.
Yes. Let's go.
Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
This way.
There are so many people.
Don't worry. We're right on time.
I found our seats.
Great. We have a window seat.
I'll put my backpack above the seat.
I'll help you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I can't believe I'm finally on a plane.
You'll enjoy the takeoff.
I'm a little nervous again.
That's normal. Just relax.
I'll look out the window.
That's the best seat for your first flight.
The view is beautiful already.
Wait until we're above the clouds.
Welcome to London. Please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. You may now use your mobile phones. Thank you for flying with us.
We made it.
Welcome to London.
That was much easier than I expected.
I told you that you would enjoy it.
What do we do now?
First, let's collect our luggage.
Look, there's our suitcase.
Perfect. Let's take it.
I'm so happy.
Now, let's take a taxi to our hotel.
Our adventure in London starts now. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this English conversation and learned some new words and useful expressions. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to English Zone, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. Practice these sentences again, listen carefully, and try to say them out loud. See you in the next video. Bye!